Took a little video of it as well. Oh, oh no, what are you doing? Oh, fucking hell. Oh mate, be careful. And the beauty of it is, we haven't got a clue where we are. Oh. Right, let's keep going. Okay. A little clump of trees up there, just isolated. Yes, you know, they put little weirs in like that to slow it down, to slow the flow of water, believe it or not. So it doesn't create, you know, massive amounts of erosion. And then they throw all this like stone and stuff in to help the bank, you know, strengthen the bank. So if you've got a very straight flow of water, as you know, if you looked at that as you were coming down, it was straight coming all the way down, and then it was meandering here, isn't it? So what you do is you put like a little weir or a waterfall in, and then as the water cascades down, it hits the bottom, causes a plunge pool. It slows the flow of water down, thus slowing the erosion that it creates down here. Yo, watch these sheep here, watch. It's a sheep blaster. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this in one of my top 10 favourite roads that I've been on for a long time. You know, for scenery, yeah. Mint sauce. That usually scares them. Mint sauce, yeah. I forgot to put the app back on when we were taking the pictures. Seen her, so she stopped talking to me anyway. These like chalets, aren't they? Holiday chalets. Right, I'll just switch the app back on. Just stay here. Right, there we go. Right, let's get going. Okay, mate. No problem at all, laddie. I can wait as long as you like. Yeah, it's funny, at one time, when I first started riding bikes, you know, on road bikes, if you saw another motorcyclist, it was like a, you know, you pop, you know, wave and all, you know, and as the years have gone on and it's got more and more popular and more, you know, bikes are more aplenty, it's got less and less, but I think it's still nice, that courteous thing you get between bikers. 1:45 I've got now. Okay. I wonder if when she talks, if I have a go at turning it up on the Cardo system. It's funny, you go into like slow mode, don't you, when you come back on a normal road again? It's like oh, that was a cracking bit of road, that was. I don't know. Yeah, that's going into Anglesey, isn't it? Would think, is it? I don't know. Oh, no, I don't know. I could seem more friendly in Wales. They seem to let on more. I've done it in the car. I've been going along in the car, seeing I've got bikes coming the way, and I've nodded at them in the car. Clear, mate. Clear, 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 clear. Just got to be careful overtaking on white lines like that. It can be a bit slippy. We need to lose this camper van, don't we? Hey. Oh, fucking hell, that must have been close. Yeah. Nearly had the side out the top of his caravan and all. We're on the road to nowhere. Come meet me pies. Oh, it's a nice little bridge, isn't it? There's a gaggle of bikers up front. Got to say, this is the most different route I've ever taken to get to Anglesey in my life. We're 5 miles of this yet, aren't we? I know. Beautiful, isn't it? We've had some stunning scenery. Oh, look at that. It's nice, that, isn't it? Hey. Straight on. I want to drink that water, cow. It looks like shit. It is shit. Ah. You've been naughty, yeah. Yeah, do a rupper. just trying to think where this must bring us out at some point onto the main. Would it be the A5 it'll bring us to? No. This guy in this little Volkswagen Caddy, he knows these lanes. Yeah, he does. Well, we've been nice and lucky with the weather now, haven't we? No. No, see, look above you now, it's got a nice nice blue sky, yeah. And crazy roads, you know. The sun's getting quite nice and warm again. We're getting a nice 19 degrees. Cruise past and me clutching. That's a doer upper, look. Nice bathroom on it, did you see it? That's quite ironic. There was even a plunger on top of the cistern, did you see it? Yeah, to unblock the bog. I don't think they got that problem anymore, do they? A bit grey and misty over there. Didn't we have a lovely time the day we went to Bangor? It's a big old place, isn't it? Menai Bridge, mate. Well, it's a few years since I've been over this bridge. There's two if you look to your right. There's another. So you'll see it as we go across. So so that's what they call the Menai Straits, mate. Oh, yeah. There it is, there's the other bridge over there, look. It's great the way it reroutes you though, rather than going all that way back down there. It's now taking us on a little jaunt, less travelled. I thought that was gravel. I know. I love it how things like that happen though, it's good. Yeah, there you go. Llanefni. See, normally what we'd have done would have come off the Menai Bridge, and then you basically just follow it and just stick to the right hand side. You're there. But I think what this is now trying to do is take us back across. You know, we've kind of come across the longer way. I don't know which way it's set us up for, really. There's the sea, mate. Yeah, I know what it's done. I'm sure it's brought us straight across. If we follow that road down, that takes us back to the Menai. I'm sure it will. Yeah, there you go, Menai Bridge. There you go. So this is the road that I'm more familiar with now. I'm sure. Can't remember the name of the pub. I'm sure it was either the Blue Ship or the Blue Bell or the Ship Blue Bell. I can't remember. I remember it. The building was blue. It's a few years since I've been out. How long ago did I come here? I think. I'm not sure if I came on one of my bikes some years ago for a ride out. It's a nice little place. I'm sure this was where the garage was. There you go. It's now a cafe. So there you go. And we used to stay. That's the road that takes you down to Lligwy Beach. That one there. And we used to stay there. Yeah. So I'll take you right down into the. This is like a little fishing village. God, memories. There you go. Here's the pub. We'll park in the pub. And it's called. See, I knew it was from a ship. That'll do it. Lovely. Guess where I am? In Molfre. And you see that little white building there? Yeah. My mum's friend, her mum owned that there. She had a pottery. She used to make pottery for all the local cups, beakers and stuff. Oh yeah. And her husband, he had a false leg. And the dog ate his
Penny was called, a little poodle thing. Shit, you remember, mate? Shit, you remember.
Oh yeah, Lligwy Beach, there we go. Yes, my memory is not as good as it was. It has, it's been... well, I brought Sharon here actually. The last time I came... Yeah, there's a beach. I brought Sharon here and we weren't married. And we've been married 27 years. So there you go. So yeah, it was a while ago. And got windburn as well. There you go. Let's have a quick mooch in here.